Hi, I'm Dom Millar from the Completely Group. It's wonderful to be here at Europa Property's CEE Retail Awards, and I'm very privileged to be a judge, and I've judged very critically. Part of the reason that I'm here, we're working with Europa Property and Craig and the team on a completely retail marketplace in Prague for the CEE market. We're going to bring our expertise from our London and our Stockholm, Amsterdam, Dublin events, and we're going to bring it to Prague, where we invite just brokers, the agents, the landlords, the developers, and most importantly the retailers to get together and do one hell of a day of business. The day we've got penciled in is the 17th of October this year, and we look forward to welcoming you all there.